How to create LinkedIn account. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Haru Solution, and today in this video I will going to show you how you can create your LinkedIn account. So simply launch a LinkedIn application. So once you launch the application, tap on the upper right corner, tap on join now. Now type here your email, tap on continue. After that, create a password here. Now select your first name and last name, tap on agree and join. Now from here on you have to solve the puzzle, and now select the location here, tap on next. After that you can select your job, what have you done in the most recent. If you're a student, you can select the student here, and you can choose your university or school that you are studying in. Select your degree and specialization, select the year and the end year. After that, tap on next. You can also add a photo, skip from now. After that, tap here and you get the 6 digits number on your email. Just tap the digits here, and after that you get your account. So just like that, you create your account on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is that simple. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.